Hi, this is Yasmin from Ticlick. Welcome to our onboarding series. If you're just getting started, this is the best place to begin. In this video, we will walk you through your initial setup for your profile in Ticlick, starting from the organization profile and then to the system users. Setting up your profile in Ticlick is one of the very first important steps when getting started. It ensures that your branding, your automation, and team permissions work perfectly from day one. By the end of this video, your account will officially be open for business, so let's dive in. Please note that the features and access available in your account will vary depending on your plan or subscription. Alright, so to get started, head over to the right top corner to the organization profile, or you can go from settings. Here you can enter your organization's information, for example, the name, you can add the industry, the website, and any address information or contact info. Here you can also upload a high-resolution logo for your company, which is a really pro tip, because this will automatically appear in the invoices and the documents that we will be creating later. So it's a really great way to keep your branding consistent and without any extra effort. And then you can go ahead and save the changes. Moving on to the next field, which is the billing and subscription. So here you can monitor your subscription in Ticlick and you can see the start date of your subscription, the end date, and when is your next billing cycle. Here you can track the usage of your Ticlick account, how many members that you have on your team, how many programs and how many organizations, and many other stuff that you can filter by yourself. So it's all right here in one place. Now let's talk about making your life easier. A very cool feature we have in Ticlick is that you can connect to your Ticlick account as you set it up with an API connection. For example, we have Calendly for setting up your meetings, scheduling them, and also we have Twilio for communication or Stripe for handling your payments. So it's a more automated setup. And if you would like to know more in details about this, we will have a separate video explaining each API connection in details and how we can connect it to your Ticlick account. Moving on to the organizations field, here you can add and you can manage multiple organizations. This is especially helpful if you are working for more than one company. So here you can add what kind of industry your other companies are related to. For example, it can be J1 agency, J1 sponsor, language school, and so on. And then you can set up the country, the city, and the website. Moving on to the preferences field, here you can set up your currency and your time zone. So Ticlick basically uses the currency in your reporting and also in your accounting. So keep in mind that once you set your currency, it cannot be changed directly from your account. So if you ever need any help updating it, you have to contact support. Moving on to the bank info, here you can add your organization's financial details. This information appears in the students portal, allowing the students or clients to view your payment details in order to transfer payments or any funds directly to your organization. Here's a quick look on how it appears on the student's point of view so you can better understand the full experience. A CRM is only as good as the team using it, so let's head over to the system users. Moving on to the system users, so go ahead and click on users and partners. So here is where you invite your coworkers. You can assign their roles, you can assign their permissions. For example, your accountants can have access to the money, your counselors can have access to the leads and student profiles, and you can also keep the admin level settings limited to yourself. So in order to add a new user, you just click on the add button and you can assign what kind of role that they will have, for example, as a staff, as a partner, an admin, and so on. And you can also upload a profile picture and you can then send an invitation to them so they will receive it on their email. Moving on to the roles and permissions. Here you can see that Ticlick gives you predefined access to each role. For example, an admin has access to everything on the platform in comparison, for example, to a staff. A staff cannot have access to adding a program or changing or deleting, and it also applies on different categories. Moving on to the next point, which is if your organization needs a more customized role, you can go ahead and add a new role, and you can assign what kind of permissions that they will have. For example, you can add an HR to your team. You can assign exactly what they will have access to based on what kind of responsibility this role has. And just like that, your organization profile is now set up and complete. In the next video, we will show you how to set up your own personal profile. And if you have any questions, you can always book a demo with our team. Please don't forget to leave a like and comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.